Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're making a squash apple crumb. You're going to need 3 apples peeled and 1 kabocha squash. Now you're going to wash and peel those, and we're going to cut them into pieces and throw them into a pot with a half a teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice, a 1/4 cup of raisins, add 2 cups of water, cook for 10 minutes on the stove, add your cornstarch and water into a bowl, and then add that into the pot and cook that for a minute. Then you're going to blend the dates and the pecans, add your oats, blend that too, and then we're going to put that into a large bowl. Your mixture should be like this. And then in a large baking dish, you're going to add all the squash, and then you're going to put the mixture here on top. And we're going to bake that in the oven for 425 for about 10 minutes and uncovered, and then it'll come out and it'll be brown on top. This is what the side looks like. It was delicious. You got to try this recipe, guys. See you on the next one.